Oh, I had no idea I was on. Oh, that's big. Well, good morning, everybody and or anybody. Christian with Make Time for Fishing here. I am exploring some new water today. I just launched from Station 19 on Sullivan's Island. It is a cold, windy day. Somehow it's colder and windier than last time, but at least I have the sun on my side this time. It's about 42 right now. I think high is close to 50. I can't wait for that. It's windy, gusts up to about 20 miles an hour, sustained winds around 13, 14 miles an hour. So it's gonna be a struggle, but despite that wind, for some reason, I wanna try freelining today. I'm gonna be freelining some fiddler crabs, trying to find sheepshead, redfish, and black drum. If the current and wind are proving difficult, I'm gonna throw some split shot on, so I won't be freelining at that point, but I've also never tried a split shot rig for sheepshead, and I know that's one of the most common, if not the most popular rig. If you do enjoy the video, please consider subscribing if you haven't already. If you want to see me try anything else in future videos, please comment it down below. As long as the bait shop still has fiddler crabs in stock, I'm going to take full advantage. That's why I've been sheepshead fishing so much, but I'm always open to suggestions. But if you guys are enjoying it, just let me know. But anyway, I'm going to get after it. Stay tuned. Hopefully we get some good ones, and hopefully we can conquer the wind a little bit. Thank you for watching and enjoy. Yeah, that's flowing pretty hard. Let's put a split shot on it. Okay, so I'm using a 1/12 ounce split shot, it's size number 4. Just gonna put it about 5-6 inches above the crab. Hopefully that'll be enough to get it to the bottom, otherwise I'll have to add a second one. Alright, I'm gonna add another split shot. Got 2 split shots on for a total of 1/6 of an ounce of weight. Ooh, I felt a bite there. Got cleaned out at least. Again, that's a good thing, believe it or not. First bite means I'm onto something. Alright, let's give this guy a toss way under there again. Oh yeah. It's a pretty good fish. Oh, it's a little redfish. First fish is actually a little red drum, which is pretty cool. Fought really hard in this cold water. It's pretty cool. It's been a minute since I caught a redfish. I mean, this is a tiny guy, maybe 15, probably 14 or 15 inches, but still pretty cool. Let's get him unhooked and get him back. All right, let's let him go. Sweet, first fish in the board after about 30 minutes or so. Honestly, not that bad considering the conditions. We'll see if we can do better. Oh. Wow, that felt big. I just broke off, so I had to retie. This time I chose to retie with 20-pound fluorocarbon. Wanted to have it sink a little bit faster. I figured that would help. Oh. Oh, that's big. That's big. Wow. This feels like a sheepshead, I think. Oh yeah, it's a good one. Wow. Jeez. That is a stud sheepshead. Wow. Woo. This is an absolute tank of a sheepshead right here. Excuse me if I'm moving around and wedged up against this piling. Stay in place. Wow. That is a huge, huge sheepshead. Let's get a quick measurement. He's going back. Well, according to my tape measure, that is a 19-inch sheepshead. Very thick, very beautiful. Let's get a good release shot on him. Make sure he gets off okay. Never mind, but he's off. Oh, I had no idea I was on. Oh, it's a nice little red. Cool. I did not know I was on that time. This one's a little bit bigger than the last one. He's probably a small slot. Still just a little redfish, but it's cool to see these guys around, especially on the fiddler crabs. They put up a good fight under the stock, especially in this cold water. But anyway, let's let them go. Alrighty, well, that was a tough day to say the least. I knew it would be going into it, and honestly, I'm happy to have caught the fish I did. That sheepshead was an absolute stud, huge fish, really gave me a good fight under that dock. Those two smaller redfish I caught were kind of just a bonus. They were welcome sight, but it had been a minute since I caught a redfish, so they were surprises. I missed 2 or 3 big bites that if I had connected with would have made this actually a really great day. But either way, considering the tide and the wind and everything, I consider today a win. I hope you all enjoyed this short video. Thank you all for watching, and remember to make some time for fishing. Bye.